What a piece full day. Someone added a bomb to it. Now it will be a pieces full day. Prepare to explode it day. What? Why didn't it work? This bomb has homosexual tendencies. It has so many homosexual tendencies. I must inspect the bomb. What is that? Run. Run, like you're getting the truts. It exploded. Hooray. Don't hit me though. Ouch. Why did my legs do that? Is it because they have to hold me off the ground? Stupid legs, they have so many homosexual tendencies. I survived. How did I survive? I made that thing out of 4 C's. Oh well, time to jump off the tank full of fishies. Who exploded a bomb there? Some idiot who doesn't know how bombs work. What the fire truck who put that new fire trucking bomb there? Holy fire truck don't exploded me. Oh Snapple, this will hurt in the morning more and getting up hurts my legs. My head has disappeared. Fix it IT camera guy. Whoops, I think I died. I may be dead, but that's no excuse to stare at my hindquarters. You are jelly and jam over my Morgan Freeman computer voice.